Welcome back to Lift of the Week. I'm Jill with Cumming Strength Fitness, and we've got episode 6 for you today. We're going to do a Tabata style workout, and then we're going to cook up a frittata breakfast for dinner recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let's get started with our workout today. We're gonna be doing a Tabata style workout. All that means is that we're gonna be working with specific time frames. You're going to work for 20 seconds and you're gonna rest for 10 seconds, and you're gonna do that for 8 rounds. So we're gonna have 2 movements today. We're gonna have the air squat and the burpee. The way it'll work is I'm gonna start with the burpee. 20 seconds of burpees, 10 seconds of rest. Then I'm gonna move to the squat. 20 seconds of squats, 10 seconds of rest. Then I'm gonna go back to the burpee, and I'm gonna continue on in that cycle until 8 minutes is up. All right, let's briefly talk about the burpee. All I'm gonna do is basically go down onto the floor. My chest and my legs are gonna make contact, and then I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna open my hips, give a little clap at the top. That's your standard burpee. If that proves to be a little difficult for you, we can scale that back a little. Grab a chair, grab a couch, grab the side of your countertop. Doesn't matter, you just want a little bit of elevation. So I'm gonna stand behind whatever I choose to use for this. I'm gonna go out into a plank position, do a little push-up, hop my feet in, clap at the top, and that's your modified burpee. All right, now we're on to the air squat. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet under your hips. You're gonna drop your hips all the way hip crease below the knee, and then you're gonna stand all the way up with a full hip extension at the top of your squat. Again, if this proves to be a little difficult, grab your chair, grab your couch, grab anything that's gonna elevate the movement. I'm gonna stand in front of my object. I'm gonna send my hips back as far down as I can possibly go, touch my bottom to the object, stand up and squeeze my hips at the top. Now that we're getting sweaty from our Tabata workout, let's move on to dinner. I've got an awesome breakfast for dinner recipe for you guys. It's 5 ingredients. It's got a protein punch, tons of vegetables, add a little fruit to it, and you're good to go. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? Check out the frittata. All right, here's what you're gonna need for your frittata. You're gonna need a couple of tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil, 8 eggs or 24 tablespoons of liquid egg whites if you want to have a lower fat recipe, 1 large sweet potato peeled and cut into slices, 2 sliced zucchinis, and 1 sliced red bell pepper. After you get all your ingredients together, you're gonna heat a pan over medium to low heat, add your cooking oil, your sweet potato slices, and cook them for about 8 minutes. After that, add your zucchini and red bell pepper. While it cooks, whisk your eggs in a bowl. Make sure to incorporate a lot of air into the mixture. Season the mixture with salt and pepper and add to your vegetables that are cooking. Cook on the low heat until it's set. That'll be about 10 minutes. Voila, you're done. And if you have leftovers, you've got breakfast the next day. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Our internal lift of the week, we're gonna talk today very quickly about habits. It takes about 21 days or 3 weeks, maybe a little longer, traditionally speaking 21 days, to create a new habit. A new habit is something that you have to put a concerted, focused effort towards, not like brushing your teeth where you just kind of remember to do it and you don't have to think about it a lot. Creating a new habit is going to take a little bit of your energy and focus, consistency over 21 days, and then you've created a new behavioral habit. Let's take, for instance, working out every day. Consistency is the key. Doing it for 21 days is exactly what you need to do to start making this a good habit for yourself.